Welcome to Salika Meg. Today's tutorial is this ladies pajama pants. It is very easy project for absolute beginners. Without any pattern you can stitch your pajama pants. See, I just fold my fabric in 4 folds and put any of your pajama as your pattern on your this fabric. And see, here you have to leave like 1 inch, and here just make it equal, and on the elastic part also leave almost 2 inches, and then just mark according to your size. And here you see, because here is elastic, so you have to stretch it for the marking, and there should be a straight line till the end. So after marking all these lines, we need to add all these seam allowances. Here I'm going to add all the way 1 inch seam allowance, but it depends. If you want less, you can take like a ½ inch seam allowance. So guys, if you want a proper trouser pattern, I will give link in the description for the PDF pattern, and if you want to learn a proper trouser pants, then also I will give the link in the description for that tutorial. But this is very simple pajama pants that you can wear day to day at home. So see, I just cut it here, and now for the stitching we need to separate this. And as the front part is less than the bigger the back part, because our back is a little bigger than our front for the hip, because of hip curve, so that's why we need to cut this extra here. So after that, I'm now just going to stitch this cross line. So just stitch here. I'm using here the serger because my fabric is a knit fabric, but you can use your regular machine, the zigzag stitch, or just by a simple machine. Now you can see I just stitch these cross lines. Now we need to stitch these legs, but for that make sure your crotch seam lines are equal, and just pin up here. And also for before stitching I need to hem this hem line because I want to use here also the serger, so I'm just using serger here. And after that I will go to the regular machine and will show you how you can stitch here. So again on this leg part I'm just going to use the serger, but before that make sure you pin up properly and stitch this crotch. And after that again start from the other leg and then stitch till the crotch. We need to stitch like this, because otherwise maybe our legs will not be equal. So see, at crotch area I just stop, and after that I will again start from the other leg from the hemline. So hope you got my point. And guys, if you like this tutorial, please just press hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube channel. So see, after stitching you can see now the time is to put the elastic here. So for elastic we need to first measure our elastic. You can take measurement by your waist, or from your waist, or just you can see on the at least 4 or 5 inches you can less than your actual waist. So see, now I just stitch my elastic, and now I'm just marking the sides and the center of my elastic. And after that I will pin up it with my this pajama pants, the side with the side elastic of center with the center front, and the back is with the back. You hope you can see. So after pin it up properly, all these 4 parts, because we want to stitch it equally. So after that I will go to the machine and will start stitching. Again I'm using my serger, but you can stitch this stitch with a simple machine with any of zigzag design, or with just a simple straight stitch. So actually this serger is just a luxury, you can say, but anyways I'm just stitching here. And after that I will show you how you can fold it again with then I just go to the regular machine and will show you how I will complete my remaining part. So just I remove this because I want to stitch my hemline, and this hemline is now in a round shape, so I have to put this down in this free arm. That's why I removed this part. And see here, make sure that you keep in mind the distance or from the edge and your foot, so you will got a straight line. So I'm just describing each and every minor details because this tutorial is specially for absolute beginners, so you can understand each and everything. So after stitching, now I'm on my elastic part. I just fold it and now stitching it with a stretch. So see, I just stitch my first line and now the second line very close to the edge. So again need to stretch and then stitch. So guys, it's almost done. Hope you like this video, and please give me your feedback, and please if you really like this video, just press a like button. It will really help me. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.